everyone, I'm Madhu. I'm currently pursuing my BTech third year at Aditya University in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering. I'm here to share with you all that I grabbed an internship opportunity at Walmart Global Tech with a stipend of 1 lakh per month. Being an Aditya student, it helped us to get into this opportunity by conducting comprehensive training programs from the beginning of our first year. This college also emphasizes learning in coding, algorithms and data structures, and training in specified technologies. Being a student of Aditya University, the placement training also helped us to get into this opportunity by conducting mock interviews and help us in building our resume. Thank you, Aditya, for giving this foundation and giving this chance to get into this real-time opportunity like Walmart.